Hello, 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 hello. How are you? I'm doing great. I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. This is Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be super cool. Today we are looking at a brand new, fresh off the press palette from Huda Booty, or Huda Beauty, as most regular people would say. And it is it's in the Obsession family, and it is Love Fest. It's a Love Fest. It's a beautiful color story, and it's a very orangey and purpley. This looks pulls a little blue on camera, but it's very purple in real life. So, would you like to see some magic swatches? I bet you would. Bam! Here we go. All swatched very nicely. With just one swipe on naked skin, no primer, nothing. The shimmers look really good. The mattes are very pigmented. It looks like a great palette. It's very orange and purple though. So I'll be interested to see how I look in orange and purple. So let's get into it. Let's do it to it. Let's groove tonight. You know the price is right. I never said I was a good singer. I'm enthusiastic. Enthusiastic, I say. I'm going to start with this color here for the crease. It is super, super pigmented. I'll blow that off. And that is a very pretty color. It's kind of terracotta. And terracotta is an orangey color. It's an orangey color. A lot of plants are planted in terracotta pots. I need to be interested in that. I was thinking, what would you be interested in? Knowing what most pots are. Terracotta. I'm going to go into this rosy shade here. Look at that, super pigmented. I usually don't blow the eyeshadow off the brush very much, but this is so pigmented that I just really, that's really pretty. It's kind of a corally color, a little rosy glow to it. I'm putting it down on my lower lid. Kind of even it up. It's very pretty. This is a pretty palette. Oh, damn it. Why is this side always different than that side? Because it's how I'm built. Good Lord. Let me soften that up a little. I'm just trying to make it look. I'm just trying to make it work. That's all I'm doing. That's all I want out of this crazy life, is to make pretty eyeshadow looks with new palettes. I'm going to take my finger and go into this purple here and put it on my inside corner and blend it outward towards that color there. That's very pretty. Everything is super pigmented. So pretty. Let's get into some of these purples. Let's get into the purples. I started with a little bit of the purple there. Let me put a little bit more on that. It's very buildable. I'm going to go into the swirly shade here. It makes a really pretty plum color. I love plums. I love the plum colors. That's very, very pretty. And then I'm going to deepen that up. I'm going to use the same brush but the other side of it. And I'm going to go into the darkest plum there. Just go real light with it. And that really draws the drama to the eye. And this is a real pretty look. I'm feeling quite fetching. I'm feeling fetching. What kind of lipstick am I going to put with this? That's going to be the crazy hard part. So this is looking good. Let's do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, that looks very pretty. I'm liking this palette more than I thought I would. I thought I would be limited, but it's kind of a sunsetty, purpley groove. And for my lips, I have purple, but it doesn't really match. I can't even get it in the slot, but I have this very deep dark color, which is number 50, which is Voyager. Let's try this out with it. I think a dark lip would look great with this. Oh yeah. That looks great. And this is, of course, Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. It's very fall vibes. And I'm here for it because Halloween stuff is out and about and I love it. Well, I hope you've had a great time with me seeing this look come together. I hope you have a great day or day of choice and we'll see you real soon.